Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of espionage. Espionage. Espionage, in general, is the process of obtaining military, political, commercial, or other secret information by means of spies, secret agents, or illegal monitoring devices. Espionage, as a crime, is the offense of gathering, transmitting, or losing information respecting the national defense with intent, or there is reason to believe that the information is to be used to the injury of the Republic of the Philippines or to the advantage of any foreign nation. The crime of espionage in the Philippines is governed by Article 117 of the Revised Penal Code. Next, let us discuss the modes in committing the crime of espionage. There are two modes in committing the crime of espionage, to wit, first, by entering, without authority, a warship, fort, or military or naval establishments or reservation to obtain any information, plans, or other data of confidential nature relative to the defense of the Philippines. Second, by disclosing to the representative of a foreign nation the contents of the articles, data, or information referred to in the first mode, which he had in his possession by reason of the public office he holds. After knowing the two modes, let us discuss now each of the modes of committing the crime of espionage. The elements of the first mode are as follows. First, that the offender, a Filipino or a resident alien, enters a warship, fort, or military or naval establishments or reservation. Si offender, pumasok sa mga nabanggit na lugar. Further, espionage is not conditioned on citizenship of the offender. Filipino or resident alien pwedeng liable sa espionage. Second, that he has no authority, therefore, wala siyang kahit anong karapatan na pumasok. Third, that his purpose is to obtain information, plans, photographs, or other data relative to the defense of the Philippines. Ang kanyang layunin ay kumuha ng impormasyon kaugnay sa seguridad ng bansa. Please do remember these elements. In the first mode, mere intention is sufficient to be held liable. It is not necessary to have actually obtained such information. May nakuha kang impormasyon o wala, liable ka sa crime na espionage under the first mode. If public officer ang gumawa sa first mode, ang pagiging public officer niya ay considered aggravating circumstance. Sa second mode naman, the following are the elements of the second mode. First, that the offender is a public officer. Dito sa second mode, dapat public officer yung offender. Second, that he has in possession the articles, data, or information referred to in the first mode by reason of the public office he holds. Sa pagiging public officer niya, meron siya in his possession data or knowledge tungkol sa seguridad ng bansa. Third, that he discloses their contents to a representative of a foreign nation. Yung knowledge or data na alam ng public officer, ibinunyag ito sa mga kalaban ng bansa. In the second mode, being a public officer is a requirement, so inherent na siya. Hindi siya considered aggravating unlike in the first mode. Next, kailan naman nakukumit ang espionage? Is it in times of war or in times of peace? The answer is either. espionage can be committed in times of war or in times of peace. Crimes against national security are generally committed in times of war, except for espionage and misprision of treason, which can be committed in both situations. Next, let us discuss Commonwealth Act No. 616. Commonwealth Act No. 616 expanded and broadened the acts of espionage. Thus, under Commonwealth Act No. 616, the following are acts of espionage. 1. Unlawful obtaining or permitting to be obtained information affecting national defense. 2. Unlawful disclosing of information affecting national defense. 3. Disloyal acts or words in time of peace. 4. Disloyal acts or words in time of war. 5. Conspiracy to violate the preceding acts. 6. Harboring or concealing violators of law. 7. Photographing from aircraft of vital military information. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.